going to be changing out the camera on our 2013 Ford Taurus. Tools you'll need for this are a pry tool and a T-25 and a T-27 Torx screwdriver. So open up your trunk, and right here is the pulley to help you get your trunk down, and that's a T-27. So get your T-27, and there's two of them, one here and one here. Okay, now we have that off. Get your pry tool, and there are a bunch of clips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can take these off if you like. That'll take the whole thing down, but we're just gonna bend it down to get to the camera, so you don't have to take all of them off. But just get your pry tool in there and pry these out. Pry it out. Let me get this one in the middle. Okay, over here. Now we can pull this down. Ooh, look at there. And you have access to your camera, which is right here. There's one T-25 Torx right here that we're gonna take off. And that's gonna pop your camera out. See that? Look at that. All right, take that piece off. And then here's your camera right here. To take this off, you just pinch this in like that. So you see that pop up and pulls right off. And now you can replace your camera. Now we're gonna reassemble our camera. Slide your camera in. The button's on this side. That's a good reference point. Put it in like that. And then you get this and put it in like that. Right there. All right, put this back in, like this, over like that. We got two bump stops, as I call them, right here. So this goes in that hole there. That. Line it up with the holes. And that's how you replace your camera on your 2013 Ford Taurus. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.